Hello friends and loved ones, I'm Leumas S.N.A, and today we are coming to look at comparing of fraction using a less than, a greater than, or the equal to sign. But with this time, it's going to be fractions that have different denominators. We are coming to compare them. But before we continue, I want you to click on the like button and the subscribe button before we continue. Thank you. This video is brought to you by Leumas. Okay, now we have on the board 2/3 and 1/5, which they have different denominators, but we call the number on top as numerator, and that of the down one, which is 3, as what? Denominator. Now to compare these two fractions, this is what we do. We name here first fraction and we name here second fraction, so it's very simple for us to do. We use the first fraction numerator to multiply the denominator of the second fraction. So 2 times 5, we have what? 10. Now, when we come to the second fraction, we do the same thing there. We use the first, which is the numerator, which is 1. We use to multiply the first fraction, its denominator. So we have 1 times 3, which is what? 3. 10 and 3, which one is big? We realize that the 10 is what? Big. Therefore, 2/3 is greater than 1/5. When you come to the second part of the question, we have 5/6 and we have what? 3/4. The same procedure. We name your first fraction and what? Second fraction. And we use the numerator of the first fraction to multiply the denominator of what? The second fraction. So 5 times 4, we have 20. Then we come to the second fraction. We use the numerator to multiply the denominator of the first fraction. So 3 times 6 will give us what? 18. Here we realize that what? 20 is bigger than what? 18. Therefore, we say 5/6 is greater than 3/4. Now, when we come to the third question, we apply the same principle. First fraction, second fraction. We use the first fraction numerator to multiply the denominator of what? The second fraction. So 6 times 11 is 66. Then we have 10 as numerator in the second fraction. We used to multiply the first fraction denominator. So 10 times 7 will give us 70. Therefore, realize that 66 is less than what? 70. Therefore, we say 6/7 is less than 10/11. Now, on the fourth question, we have 5/8 and 11/12. By even looking at this, you can even sit and use your eyes to get the answer. Okay, so but let's do the calculations here to prove our answer. We have first fraction and second fraction. We use the numerator to multiply the second fraction's denominator. So 5 times 12 will give us what? 60. Then we have 11 here as a numerator in the second fraction. We use the 11 to multiply the denominator of what? The first fraction. So 11 times 8 will give us what? 88. So we realize that what? 60 is less than 88. Therefore, we say 5/8 is less than 11/12. So simple. This has been taught in less than what? 5 minutes. Trust me, when you watch this video and you do and continue it, trust me, you are going to be perfect in solving, comparing of fraction. Thank you very much for watching our video. I'm Leumas S.N.A. Click the like button, comment as well, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.